In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect printer to Android phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which Android phone you have, you can easily connect a printer to it. Usually, this will be done wirelessly. However, there is an option to use a cable, which I'm going to talk at the end of the video. But if you want to do this wirelessly, then go over to the settings on your Android device and look at the Connections tab. I have a Samsung device, so for me, I have to go under Connections. You can also just use the search function and look for the word printer if you prefer. Most Android devices should have this option, but they might be in different menus. For me, on this Samsung device, it is under Connections and then More Connection Settings. When you choose this option, you will find the printing category, and inside of printing you can manage all of the printers that you have connected to your device. So the default print service should be included with Android, and if it is enabled, all that you have to do is tap on it. So tap on default printing service and it is going to search for nearby printers. And if it finds one, then you will be able to select it from the list. Alternatively, you can tap on the three dots that are going to be available here to manage your printers and choose the option to add a new one using its IP address or direct printing. Once again, they will appear on the list of devices and you have to choose it here. Once you select a particular printer from any brand that you see, you will be able to have it connected. When you choose any document, you will find the option to send it to the printer. If you choose the option to change the printing plugin, so you choose the option to download a plugin, you will be redirected into the Play Store where you can download specific plugins such as Epson, Brother, and so on. Pick the particular service that you will be using and the printer will also be set up that way. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect printer to Android phone. You can also plug it in using a cable like I mentioned before. Simply plug one end of the cable into the phone and another one into the printer. If this video answered any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.